Pumpkin King here. We're at the Rantoul Half Century Progress. What do you think, BT? Or the legend?
Cool. Pretty cool.
Looks like just got signed release. Line of carts, we got here early. So. Found the earthquake.
I'm gonna pull over here out of the way.
Delta Force 750. Twin turbos, Rantoul Brothers. Pretty badass. Oh, try and get video of this. Big old Detroit. What do you think of that thing, BT?
Pretty sweet.
Right, Industries. It's got some tires on it.
That's I think that's the name,
Awesome there, huge American flag.
America, baby.
That's right.
America.
Post one.
I love that big flag, bro. Oh, hell, look at the series over there.
Hey, we found
That's a 30.
That's 1130. Look at that. That's a nice looking one. I don't know what that is.
4430.
Oh boy. We better check this one out. No, I don't want no roll bar. Look at them hydraulic.
Levers and extended that.
Yeah. Looks pretty good. Hopefully that's what mine will look like one of these days, minus the roll bar, but then we got that, I don't know. Pretty nice 4430. Sunny Beck's 4430. Seen one, you've seen them all. Alright, other people probably on YouTube seen this tractor. This one I really wanted to come and see. Been watching more of this, that Renner. Stock Farms, Bellevue, V12 Detroit. It's been working on for a while. Oh damn, it's a hog. What do you think of that? BT, that's a freaking hog, ain't it?
Pretty beefy. Pretty beefy.
So they did a nice job.
They did a real good job. Did a real good job on that
hood?
Back down.
Yeah. Let's see what else we got through here. These are all, looks like repowered John Deeres. This is another one of theirs. Tires a lot bigger in person than they are on their videos. 4520. I've never seen an 806 with a, excuse me, it's a Cummins in it. V470 Cummins. Got a hell of a nice collection here. Wow, this is interesting. 903 Cummins, 7520. Tractor is freaking immaculate too. No, I'm moving probably fast, but there's just so much to see. That is cool right there. $50-20 Detroit in it too. Oh, that's badass right there. $50-20 with a 903. All right, we'll get walking around through here and check it out. That's a neat configuration, whatever that is. 60-30, turbocharged. It's like turbocharged V12. Yeah, it's V12 turbocharged. Wow. Another. There's a rat rod there. Another 903 50-20. That one there looks like it's got the big V8 in it. Well, you know we are. Alrighty, we're back. I had to check out this 1456 with a Detroit in it. Oh, that's pretty interesting. .318 Detroit, a 1456, pretty wild. Like I said, I'm over here at Rantoul at the tractor show at the big airport here, so we'll walk around through here, see what we can find interesting. Got another real nice 1130 over here. Bunch of really good internationals looking. I think that might be the Plainsman that's in my one video a while back. But yeah. Nice 1150. I think that's Coons's too. When I was over there, I seen it there. I think the weights, if I remember right, they're no, them's wood. The ones over there were plastic. Nice 2745. Plainsman. Oh, really good looking V8 International right there. 15. Unbelievable amount of nice tractors there. There's another renter's tractor, that 1150. They're having their videos. KTA 450 or 1150. There's BT, seeing how wide it is. It's another nice 1150, 1206. He's got the big axles, that's nice. The amount of tractors here is just unbelievable. It's the first time I've ever been here. Winslow Farms, Fairmont, Indiana. That thing is nice. Really nice. Alright, we're back. This is some really cool stuff right here. Some old pullers. But the one that caught my eye was this old yeller. Arthur, Illinois. Jenny's equipment. LP. That's right. That's neat. V12 on. Just pretty awesome stuff. Another badass, never seen one in person, but 1155, Spirit of 76. Wheatland. Another beautiful 1130. $1,100. Really nice.